What's happening, yo? This weekend's project is installing the new column, steering shaft. I don't have my coils in yet. Those are on the way. I'm just buttoning some stuff up so I can get this thing to actually steer, and maybe we'll get into the brake lines too. Yeah, it's been a week of parts and stuff coming in, and trying to get some stuff done. Busy week at work. I laid out my wires for the coils, so they're going to be like LS3 style coils, and there's a bracket that's going to get mounted on the valve cover. I got to see how that works out with the breathers and stuff, but it's probably going to end up going over the GN1 logo, whatever, not a big deal. So I think that's really about it. Let's see what we can get done with this. I have it up on some ramps. I have to put the starter in. I bought like a Corvette style starter that should go right into it. And of course the thing comes with no mounting bolts, so we'll figure it out. I also have the transmission lever, so we can put that in. And after that's done, basically gonna pull this thing out and clean out the back wall, get some room kicking here for my box, so for the snow flies. But either way, that's today's deal. I already have the steering shaft mocked up, well, mocked up kind of where it's going to be, where I have to cut it. Don't mind the line, this goes a little bit further in, and yeah, that's how it's going to be. So I'm going to start bolting some stuff down and then get to some cutting. Okay, so got the steering column in. Came out real nice. Plugged up the garbage hole underneath the firewall. Now you probably won't be able to see it because, you know, there's no light in this thing. But Motion Raceworks, removable with strange column, strange coupling. And the trans brake button. Put this back on. I have a hook for it to hang it from the roof. That didn't take me too long today. I started playing around with the intercooler, sizing it up, trim the pipe where I need it. This is going to go over here. And I'm thinking a couple tabs like this welded to the frame for the intercooler. I have 2 of those, so should be good to go. I got rid of the garbage on the back wall so I could move this thing back for right now. I'm gonna get my toolbox Monday, but it gives me a lot more room to play around here. You know, a fridge and a stupid rotted out case. But either way, that's gives me some room. I was able to push this thing in all by myself over this little hump. Worked out pretty well. But for now, I left my Grand National to the side, the Range Rover. I gotta pull my truck in the street, up from the street, and probably Monday. Talk to my buddy. Gonna go over there Monday with the trailer and put the box against the wall. That still should leave me. I mean, this is not exactly on the wall right now, the Willys, but that gives me a lot of room. I'll probably go back another foot. So toolboxes aren't that deep. It'll give me a little area to work. More than before, that's for sure. So make some good progress, and then once I get my box here, I'll be able to do the motor on the Grand National. Make that a quick turnaround. It's tough working out of a tool bag. There's my water. Nice. But yeah, all in all, really good progress today. So we'll see if I have energy for another video tomorrow. We'll see. But for now, see you later, guys. Bye.